Yeah, man, my people, it's Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where you already know, so it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today we have a different vibe going on. I'm going to do a voiceover video, ceramic coating, a BMW M4, diving in straight to it. You can see I'm working on the wheels. Of course, wheels first. Quick time lapse here, guys. You don't know, the barrels, the face, the lug nuts, the tire wall, all of that. You see me there hitting the calipers, making sure everything is squeaky clean, rinsing off. Boom bam, straight, quick thing guys. Foaming up here with that Adams foam wash. It's actually a strip wash to help ensure I'm taking off any waxes and sealants that might be on the paint. Loosen up all that grime, debris. You already know how the thing go guys. When you're doing a ceramic coating, you have to make sure you do the proper preparations. So I'm gonna run you through real quick, step by step, of my process here guys. So right here in this clip, you see me foaming up the front. Look at those suds, my people. Here we got the side. Quick, let me mention what an awesome ride this is. BMW M4. I absolutely love this color. Look at that foam, how thick and nice it goes on. Alright, I think coming up next we might have some shots of me doing some brushwork. Yeah man, we have to get the front grille. I got that Detail Factory soft, synthetic, delicate brush here, so we're not causing any damage to the paint whatsoever. Just getting in those nooks and crannies. You already know that grill on the M4s is pretty classic, so I have to make sure it's nice and clean. And also we have to get the emblem there, the BMW emblem at the front. And this is a very important area you have to get into. But people, if you don't use your brush here, it's pretty hard to get into the nooks and crannies of this particular part. You don't know, it has the M4 logo there also, so we have to definitely pay that some attention. All the nooks and crannies in the wing mirror. Oh my gosh, what an awesome shot. Look at that foam dripping down the side of the panels there, dragging any of that debris down. Like I say, it's a stronger soap solution, so we strip away any existing waxes and sealants. Okay, here we have the gas tank area. To make sure in there is nice and clean to my people. In there can get very grimy sometimes, so I have to pay that area some attention. Emblems, of course, the classic BMW emblem there. And there we have the M4 emblem. All my BMW M4 lovers, M lovers, or just BMW lovers in general, drop me some comments. Let me know what you think about how this ride is looking so far. A quick rinse, pretty satisfying. Looks pretty cool seeing all the suds, you know, being washed away off of the panels. Remember, my people, always rinse thoroughly. We don't want to leave any soap residue on the ride. And yeah man, back to the viewers again. Big up everybody for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Show you boys some love. You know, put in a lot of work making sure we have some cool content for you guys out there. So bless me up and subscribe. Drop a like. And like I said, hit me up in the comments, man. Let me know where you're from. All my Caribbean people, drop me some flags. You don't have to be only from the Caribbean. Anywhere in the world, let me know where you're watching from. Alright, after a thorough rinse, we have to go ahead and go in with the contact wash. People, make sure you use a high quality wash mitt. Here I have a Geon mitt that I believe is Korean microfiber. Washing each panel thoroughly. And of course, after a quick rinse again, we move on to the decon phase of this ceramic coating process. Yeah man, this is the chemical decontamination. Right now I'm using that Car Pro X, hitting it with that iron decon, my people. Make sure you spray each of the panels evenly, get good coverage, and we should see a nice reaction, that purple reaction we all love as detailers. Call that bleeding. Hopefully you can see some of the bleeding in these couple shots coming up here. If you look good, I'm sure you can see it. This vehicle wasn't too contaminated, my people, although there is some evidence of iron decon. Here we're moving along to the mechanical decontamination. All right, my people, this is very important. Removing all that contamination a regular wash can't. All that embedded contaminants. Make sure you lubricate the panels, of course. I'm using the traditional clay bar method here, guys. That's my, what would you say, my preference. I like to use a traditional clay bar rather than clay towels or clay mitts. It's just my personal preference. I can actually see what I'm doing. I typically like to use the clay lube with it rather than foaming down the vehicle and using the clay bar because, like I said, I feel when I do it this way, I can actually see what I'm doing better. All right, a quick time lapse again on to the next stage. You have to rinse off thoroughly all that clay lube and then go ahead and dry the vehicle, as you can see I'm doing here, of course, with a high quality drying towel. All right, I hope you guys are enjoying the vibe so far. Like I said, link me up, drop me some comments, give me that thumbs up, my people. All right, I got the old school leaf blower here. I don't know what happened to my ego leaf blower on that particular day, but you know, a blower is a blower, right, my people? So I am blowing out all the nooks and crannies now, making sure these wheels are nice and dry. Ah, you see the FedEx man come check me. I'll drop off a package. That's probably some detailing products right there. You know, always ordering detailing products for people. Of course, we always use high quality products over upon my side. You see me? There's some more footage of me here drying. I hope you guys liking this vibe, the voiceover. You know, we have some kind of ASMR-ish kind of sounds in this vid too, rather than the usual awesome beats I hit you guys with. So we're just trying, like I said, experimenting with some different vibes from people. If you're loving the vibes, make me know. All right, moving along. This vehicle had some water spots that I had to remove, right? So I'm using a water spot remover, you know, paired up with a microfiber applicator. You already know the BMW front grille is very classic looking, so we have to make sure we have no water spots on that whatsoever because you don't know my people. Clean car, Chris, my name, you know, so we have to make the thing look, you know, up to standard, top tier results. So all right, getting ready for the polishing step, my people. I had to back the BMW up into the garage, got the lights out and everything. Quick time lapse here of me doing a quick one-step paint enhancement, my people. The paint was in pretty good condition. No need to really cut it down. So like I said, just a quick one-step paint enhancement here with the Cash Chemi microcut, paired with that Cash Chemi purple pad. You don't know, my people, so we just basically exfoliating the paint, making it, you know, nice and glossy, nice and smooth, prepping it for that ceramic coating. All right, take a quick look now how the vehicle is looking after the polish under the lights. Mad. Thing looks sick if you ask me. Detailers out there, anybody watching the video actually, drop me some comments. Let me know how you think the car is looking so far. All right, here we have a quick shot of panel prep, my people. Wiping down with that alcohol solution, making the panel squeaky clean before we apply the coating, right, my people? So right now we're just ensuring I remove all polishing residue that may have been left behind because preparation is key, right, my people? When you're doing a ceramic coating, the panels have to be 100,000% clean. All right, here we have a quick picture of me actually applying the coating. On this ride, I use that Geon Can Coat. Very easy to apply. Couple spritz on the microfiber applicator. No real method of how to, you know, apply. No, you know, in terms of doing a cross hatch pattern or anything. Just make sure it goes on smooth, evenly, and get full coverage on the panel. Make sure you wipe it down, level it properly, my people. Take your time. Don't rush the thing. Make sure you level the coating properly. And if you have a nice inspection light, make sure you draw that out and check and make sure you don't leave behind any residue that will, you know, dry up on you and leave those pesky high spots we all hate. See there? There's a light, my people. Make sure you check your work. Bam. Just like that. All right. This is one of my favorite shots I think I took. Check it out, my people. Look how that top opens up. I'm getting ready to show you some of the after shots. I only got a few shots of actually applying the coating, my people, because I was just so in the zone. It was kind of hard to maneuver the camera around. I didn't want to mess around too much with the camera while I was applying the coating because you don't know. I wanted to ensure I did a proper job. So yeah, man, get ready for these awesome final shots. Check it out. The vehicle looks absolutely awesome. I love this color, my people. I'm going to do a quick walk around. You can check out actual interior also. Guys, I didn't get any shots of me detailing the interior, but however, I did go through the interior thoroughly. Check it out. The interior is actually pretty wrecked. My bad, I just didn't have the time to get all this footage, but I think you guys will appreciate how the interior of this ride looks. The color is absolutely wicked. Look at those seats. You know, look at the contrast between the color of the seats and the actual paintwork. Phenomenal. Just taking look at the paintwork. I think the coating actually did boost the glass a lot on this ride. That metallic gray. Oh my gosh. This is probably one of my favorite coating jobs recently, my people. I absolutely love the BMWs, and the M line is just fantastic. Check out those seats, man. Look at the panels. Man, this vehicle is definitely suited for South Florida. You know, the weather with the top down and everything. Can you imagine pulling up on the beach side, dropping your top, rolling around on the beach in the sunny skies down here in South Florida? I had to give you guys a shot here too of the vehicle here under the lights. Man, look at that paint. And this is just with a one-step paint enhancement, my people. Like I said, the owner keeps this vehicle very well. So the paint was in good condition to begin with. But man, let me tell you, that one step really did boost the glass along with the coating. Oh my gosh. Mad. The vehicle looks sick, man. Bad piece of vehicle. Can't stress enough, guys. Make sure you hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think. Let me know where you're from. Let me know where you're repping, your city, all of that, your detailing company. Just drop me some comments, man. Shout me out. Take a look at this shot here now. Coming along the side here. Wicked. This brings back some memories, man. And this was shot a while back, so. Alright, this is a quick before. This was before the coating was applied on the hood, my people. You see how flat that is, man? That's not what you're looking for, right? Look at that. That's absolutely no coating, no protection. Just completely flat. No water beading whatsoever. Alright, and check this out now. This is after the coating has been cured for about 12 hours. Check it out now, my people. This is how the thing's supposed to look. Mad. Proper things. This is what I do before I turn the vehicle back over to the customer. I just want to make sure everything is proper. Make sure the hydrophobics is looking phenomenal. And as you can see, it looks fantastic. Mad. Okay, my viewers, make me know if you like this style video, the voiceover vibes. You don't know, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit me up. Respect.